she was very possessive of Quaid-e-Azam, because Quaid-e-Azam had a daughter, Dina, had nothing to do with her. She was very possessive of her. Somehow or the other, they took a great liking to me. That's how when Yusuf, we were in Delhi afterwards, when my father-in-law died and Yusuf came to the assembly, when he used to travel a lot because of his business. So he would leave me in Delhi. In those days, there weren't planes. People went by train and go, and Miss Jinnah used to call me, come and stay in my room. Spare bed for me as a young girl. For me, she was an old lady. At about 6 o'clock, their car used to come and pick me up, because she didn't want me to be alone in the house alone. She dedicated her life. She was a dentist by profession. She dedicated her whole life to Quaid-e-Azam. She was nice with me, friendly, but I wasn't scared.